Hey, this is Johannes Watts, Chief Linking Officer at Learn to Link, LinkedIn training that gets results. Okay, sales team, you've done all this work researching your prospects all week long, and reaching out to them is where the rubber hits the road. The name of the game is personalization. I think that's about 5 or 6 syllables. When initially reaching out, I repeat, don't use LinkedIn's generic messages. Never use a generic message. When reaching out to a decision maker, show them that you've paid attention. Use 1 to 2 X factors or pieces of information from that prospect's LinkedIn profile. Use that information in your message. Show them that you have in fact taken the time to thoroughly read their LinkedIn profile. It makes a world of difference, and most of your competitors are not doing this. Don't mess up a great prospect. Last, please, I beg of you, keep your message short. Decision makers are busy and they don't have time to read your message if it looks like a 3-part novel. Remember, you don't hunt, you don't eat. Thank you so much for watching this episode of The Prospect Hunter. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking below. Get more great videos on using LinkedIn and finding your prospects by watching all the videos on my YouTube channel.